Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm going to show you how to use your COVID-19 home self-test kit. So you will receive your kit in a box like this. Inside the box you will have your 3 swabs, your 3 tests, 3 test tubes, a stand for you to position your test tube as you process the results, 3 small packets which include the liquid, and 3 bags like this for you to dispose of your test once complete. You also have in your test full instructions on how to do the test at home. I will show you quickly how to do it. The first thing you need to do is make sure your area is clean, and you need to wash or sanitize your hands. So I'll do that now. Next, you take your test, take it out of the packet, and place it onto a flat surface. Next, you will take, okay, it's actually stuck. They can edit that part out. This is called the extraction buffer solution, which came in a packet like this. You will take one of these and you carefully twist the top to open the sachet. The liquid needs to go into the test tube like so. It's about 6 drops, and then place the test tube into the test tube holder here, like so. Now to do the test, you need to first of all blow your nose, and then take one swab, carefully open the swab where you only touch the plastic handle and not the soft part here. Open your mouth and you're going to swab your left tonsil 4 times, your right tonsil 4 times, and then insert the same swab into one nostril and you twist 10 times. Once you have your swab, without touching anything else, insert it into the test tube. Avoid touching the edge of the test tube and place it straight into the buffer solution. Next, you want to twist it around for about 15 seconds. And then you are going to pinch the tube to try to get as much of that liquid off the soft tip as possible. So keep pinching and pushing the swab up. Okay. Next, you're going to close the test tube at the top, and know that this is a dropper and you're going to use this in the lateral flow test device. Your lateral flow test device looks like this. You need to drop 2 drops of your liquid into the specimen well here, which is labeled S, and then you leave your test flat for 20 to 30 minutes and you wait for the result. When you're dropping in the fluid, be careful not to catch an air bubble. Make sure it's 2 clear droplets. Once you're done, you place your used swab into the bag as well as your test tube, seal it, and it's ready to throw. After 30 minutes, read your test result. You will see a control line labeled C first. If that doesn't appear, that means your test is void and you have to repeat the test. If after 30 minutes you see 2 lines, one at C and one at T, that means your test is positive. If after 30 minutes you only have 1 line at C, that means your test is negative. If you have a line at T or no line, that means your test is void and you need to repeat the test. To log your result, you go to the website, report a COVID-19 rapid lateral flow test result. Once here, you scroll down and click Start Now. Who are you reporting a result for? Myself. Would you like to sign in? And you can continue without an account. Who was a test for? You will click on a school. Which describes you best? You will click on I go to school. Continue. What's the name or postcode of the school? So if you type in Lady Nafisa Secondary, and it will come up. You click on that and you press continue. Where in the UK do you live? Click on England. When was a test taken? Well, I took my test today, so I click today. What is the test strip ID number? Or you can scan the test strip QR code. So at the back of, or at the front of your test, you can see the QR code. So you click on scan, you allow the app to use your camera, and then all you have to do is to bring it onto the QR code and the number comes straight into the correct place. And then you press continue. What's your name? Okay, you fill in your gender. You can put your ethnic group. You don't have to though. And it will ask for your home address and then your NHS number if you know it. If you don't know it, you just press click. Do you have an email address? This is very important. You click yes, and you will now add the email address that the school has set up, which is COVID home testing at ladynafisa.org. I'm going to write what's your mobile number. If you want to add your mobile number, you can. And the next question is, what's the result? So looking at my test here, the result is alhamdulillah negative. So I click negative, and then it just goes through the details, and you just click on the last thing which says report result. So the last thing that you'd see, it says reported a negative corona test result, and once you've done that, you're all finished.